market's about to open. Let's see if I can get a little trade going. Had a pressure building to the upside a little bit.
Order pending. Order filled. Order filled.
76.1 up 76.2. 2-point stop. We could come on up into this area. I just want to get a feeler out there real quick to see if this is going to be a bear flag or a bull flag. We do have pushing up on the very short time frames, pulling all the long time frames in. Starting to tighten in the 987, the 1597. 987, if it wants to, well, the 610 get it on top of the band here would get the 987 to the other band that would push us up, at least up into this area. If it goes up, let's see if the volume's the same as it was yesterday. We should get a push down. Should get something like this. Small time frames are still pushing, pulling the 1597 into nice separation. I could be on the wrong side again. Yesterday morning I started out on the wrong side. Excuse me. And just shorted. Pretty much got stopped out a couple times and then just shorted all day. And I've got the video, but it was some bad habits that y'all don't need to be trying to learn, so I do have it recorded. It was a great day. I mean, went exactly where I thought it would go, but looks like it's gonna be another slow morning. Yep. Alright, I'll pause it, come back. Alright guys, been pushing around here. Looks like they're going to try to take it up a little bit farther. See if this is the right shoulder and the head pop up here. Prices, it's just been really slow so far. Keeping an eye on the 610. 987s. Could be forming a bear flag here. But with this separation, I'm still trying to debate. I still see it coming down. It's just a point of what level they're going to take it to. They're going to try to retrace from yesterday's high or not. I'm gonna mark a line. I gotta step away from the desk for a minute. 76.2. That's where I got to stop. I'll mark it. That shouldn't be gone too long, guys. I'll be back. Alright, guys, just got back. Looks like we got stopped out, so let's see. There was a news event. Let's see, I might have missed something.
Order pending. Order filled.
Alright, they could run this to 78. One of my trading buddies growling at me.
Order pending. Order filled.
I'm expecting one more push up.
Order pending. Order pending.
Okay, I'll get it marked. And come back later. Coming into that 78 level. .987's finally gotten on top of the rail. Probably on the wrong side, but you know, I know what I'm risking here. Just such light volume. Just like yesterday. Just grinded higher when nobody's trading. I mean, we've only done 16,000 contracts so far. Pretty funny. But we did hold. You see, nice bounce. So, you know, I'll drive up a little bit farther would not be out of question. We're closing actually on right on top of the band. We're not actually sitting on top of it just yet. And this could pull up into the zero line. We're 5 ticks from 1178 area. Alright, I'll pause it, come back. Alright guys, let's see.
Order pending. Order filled.
Just added 5 more there.
Order pending. Order filled.
Okay. Got 30 contracts short with the average of 1176.1. That's where we're at, and I'll be back here shortly. We finally got some numbers. Consumer confidence, it missed. Richmond Fed missed. So is that bad news, good news? Bad news, bad news? It'll be pretty, we'll have to see here. Kind of curious to see what they'll what the Fed's gonna really be able to do here in December. I'm down, let's see, 4,200, so pretty much broke even right here. So we'll see if we get our push. I'll get it marked, and I'll be back here shortly. I think it's going to be a really slow day again today. Alright guys.
Order pending. Order filled.
I'm adding into here.
Order pending.
Alright, I'll pause it. I'll get this moved real quick.
Order filled.
Alright. Got an ad there as well. See if they got enough energy to. Kind of curious to see if they really want to go to the high here. We're still underneath the band here. We're still coming to the top, underneath of the top band. So we'll see how the reaction is at the 0 line when we get there. But I'm gonna add as it goes up. Stops at 79. Okay, we're moving down now. We just need the 1597 to start rolling. Break down through the bottom of this band here. We can check the fibs. Steadily bouncing off of 38 right now, but there is pressure to the downside, like I've been saying all morning. So I will be back here shortly. I'll step away for a minute or two and come back. Alright, I'm back, guys. Finally getting the push. Still trying to keep an eye on the 1597. We do have a curling down of the 987 straight down on all the really short time frames. The 610 needs to get underneath the band here. We're coming into half back.
Order pending. Order pending.
I'll take
Order
off a
filled.
third
Order
there.
canceled.
I mean a quarter there. It hit the 73.3, but didn't take me just yet.
Order pending. Order canceled.
Take a little bit more. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Come on. Pressure's building to the downside. I'm worried about this band, the lower band catching this and turning back up. If we can't get the 610 underneath the band here. Needs to keep pushing. Alright, I'll mark it. Let me back here. Alright, this thing's ticking me off. Trying to cover 5 more here. Well, it ain't gonna let me have it, don't look like. Let's see if it comes down again. Man, it just won't take me at 70, 74 even.
Order
It
canceled.
took me at 74 too. Okay, up 750. I'll pause it and come back. Guys,
Order pending. Order pending.
take a little bit off here. I'm gonna take oops,
Order canceled.
5 more off here. Oh, come on. Wait, everything's breaking down. We still gotta wait on the 1597 to give us confirmation. Ah, you rat bastard. Which one they're looking at? Trying to see if it's gonna bounce here. I'm gonna try to take 73.1. Go.
Order pending.
See what it does on this ball when this bar closes.
Order canceled.
Okay, going break even. Oh, let me see something real quick. Fake. Going 5 tick stop on the last. Alright, I'll be back here shortly. Alright guys,
Order pending. Order filled.
covering another 5 here. We're up on 4 points. move the stop down, and we'll see how we end up for the day. Let's see, 5,300. So I'll be back here shortly. We'll see how we end up for the day now. Alright guys, gonna
Order pending. Order filled.
cover one there. We are breaking out of the bottom.
Order pending.
Cover one down at 70.
Order filled.
Check the fibs for the retracement. Lock in at 75 for the stop. I would think the lows would be tested here.
Order pending.
So we're at, and I'll be back here later. Alright, we should get a slowdown here. We are coming into the zero line. I'm expecting at least one more push down into here at least. Now we're up over 5 points now. Alright, I'm going to cover one here.
Order filled.
Leave the stop in place. Then we'll see where we go by the end of the day. I'm going to step away from the office. Let's see, the stop is at 75. The blue line, and this is where we're at right now. Guys, I'm back.
Order pending. Order filled.
Cover there, and I'll leave the last one for a runner and see if we can get a farther push. Looking for a retracement. Let's see. Hit the 23 pullback, should come to the 38, but we do have pressure still building. We are getting a not a humongous divergence on the 987, but the 1597 is starting to push unless it starts pulling here. So I'm expecting some type of retracement, especially with these lower time frames. 610 looks like maybe a bear flag coming in before it drops. Let this top band catch up, and we'll go from there. I'll be back here shortly. Alright guys, back. Steadily moving down. Starting to build a little bit of divergence here. Well, could be a bull flag, could be wrapping underneath, but we're still riding right on top of the band here. Pushing, 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 running into the zero line. 300 ticks left. So blue line will be the stop, and we could run all the way to 67, somewhere around there. Or 70 could be it. This could be building the low right here. But stops in place. We're up 6 points, give or take. I'll be back here. I'll come back and check here shortly. Looks like they're trying to make a run up to the 38% retracement. See, we do have the nice heel instep. See if this pans out to do, have enough pressure to pull all this stuff up. Looks like it does. So we could have a retracement like we did yesterday. Yesterday We went up, flattened out, drop up just a little bit, and then did your retracement. So we kind of just went up sideways and did the retracement early. So I'm wondering if it's gonna flip today, and then we have our big retracement up, run into the afternoon. I won't be here to see it. 75. I did make a video yesterday, guys, but I had there was some bad habits on there that y'all. There's no point in showing that kind of stuff. I had a 21.68 profit factor, did 110,000 on 150 contracts, 78.6 win. I just kept. I knew we were going to get that big retracement yesterday. Here, I'll show it to you. I was looking for this, but at the open, I went short some up in here, got stopped out. It didn't even look at this retracement for a run because I was seeing that, I was seeing that we should be able to push down. Man, this thing just kept going, and I would short a little bit, short a little bit, short a little bit, short a little bit, and I finally, went shorted. So I just shorted. My stop was up at I think 84.5 or 84.3, somewhere up in this area. Started getting a little scared because I didn't know, with this drop, how if they were going to push it and just try to get me by a tick or two. But they did stop it. I've shorted more here and so forth, but not a very good execution because my stops are way too big. That's just the way I traded it yesterday. So if y'all want to see it, I'll post it. But it shows you some bad habits that you should not follow. That's for sure. But I do have it saved. But it was a good day. I stuck to my guns. It was a 987 right here. Nice separation, pulled in, but the market just went sideways. I mean, it was brutal. Then it finally came down and came up, and that's what that little push was. And I had 85% probability that this thing was gonna make that nice 61% retracement or so. If I was able to catch that move. Another slow day. We could have a left shoulder ahead, building a right shoulder maybe. Got a nice little bull flag running into the zero line. That's some separation on 233, but you're walking right on top of the band on 377. Came from underneath on the 610. So I'll pause it, come back. Here we go. They did have that drop, built the right shoulder. Bull flag's panning out. Got a push on the 233. 377, 610's running into the underneath of the top of the band, but there's no reason not to get up to the 50% retracement here. Went right down into these closing bars here. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 3 right here. All these bottoms and closes. Came right to it, bounced. Didn't see if there's any size. Let's see. We'd probably get stopped out here, I would think. High probability anyway that we do get some type of retracement.
Stop filled.
Well, there you go. Well, everybody have a great day. 2.88. First trade was a loss. Able to come back and get everything back where I needed it to be. Everybody have a great day. I'm done for the week. I don't know. We'll have to see. when I'm back. I'll probably take some time off. Hadn't really decided just yet. But everybody have a great one. Be safe, enjoy some family time, and talk to you when I get